Hello, my dear viewers. Hope you all are fine. Have a look at Indian foods. Please watch till end, like, comment, and please subscribe. Traditionally, Indian foods are classified as Sattvika, Tamasiga, and Rajasiga foods. Cereals were earlier called Sukadhanya and was a part of Rajasiga diet. Pulses were also considered as Rajasiga diet. The Aryans called vegetables as Shanka and it was considered an important part of Sattvika diet. Animal products are considered under Tamasiga foods. Alcoholic beverages also comes under this category. The ancient Indians ate a diet of mostly wheat, barley, vegetables, fruits, meats, and dairy products. India has distinctive vegetarian dishes, especially comes from Upanishad, Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism. India's strong dietary tradition have contributed to dairy rather than meat. Typically, Indian meals consist of steamed rice, chapati, cornmeal, and porridge. The savory dishes might include lentils, pulses, and vegetables commonly spiced with ginger and garlic. Indians use spices like coriander, cumin, turmeric, cinnamon, cardamom, and others. The most significant cooking techniques in India was during the last decades of Mughal Empire. Meat marinating in yogurt, dishes such as the pilaf, Mughal chicken, flavored rices, etc. were their main items. Partially cooked flavored rices layered alternatively with salted meat sealed tightly and slow cooked to make Indian biryanis is very popular at that time. Onions, garlic, almonds, and spices began to be added in India, and a feature of festive dining in many parts of India all were contributed by Mughals. Indian dishes include poultry, fish, or meat dishes. In some cases, the ingredients might be mixed during the process of cooking. Tandoori chicken cooked in the tandoor oven is traditionally a Punjabian oven style. A platter or thali used for eating usually has a central place reserved for the cooked cereal, two chapatis, and different curries, often served in small bowls. Thali meals are scientifically healthy as they can keep in mind various factors like portion control, nutritional balance, food pyramid, and more. In South India, food items are different. South Indian breakfast consists of idli, dosha, made from a batter of rice and gram meal, puttu from rice flour, pongal made with rice and ghee, etc. are readily available. Besides this, traditional items like kallappam, otada, idiyappam, velayappam, etc. are also seen. A traditional item of Kerala food is padankanni. It is very healthy for body, intestines and uterus. Leftover cooked rice is put in a pot and filled with drinking water. It is kept overnight and the next day it can be consumed with curd, mango pickle, coconut chutney and green chilies. It reduces fat, cholesterol, sugar, etc. and keep the body cool and active. Your comments are my motive. Hope you like this video. Like and share. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.